Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to track your baggage in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the other section, click on the help button. And then click on the baggage tracking button. For this, you have to provide your reference code and your surname, which is on your ID. Once you did that, just click on the check status button, and your baggage will informations about your baggage will appear. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.